Come test drive the 2015 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.